Hello and welcome to another video of the restoring process of my boat. I'm sorry that it took a little more this time, but I had less spare time lately and I also waited for new materials to arrive. Talking about materials, I finally installed this new steering system. Inside, it has a reduction gear that turns the engine by just pulling one steel cable. I had to modify the system with longer screws in order to fit. I didn't install the cable for now because I didn't want it laying around, but it will show up when I place the engine again on the boat. I then decided to give a touch of color to the front of the boat, so with the help of my girlfriend I painted these blue stripes. Next up, I designed and started building from scratch the new seats. I began by cutting to the same size some wood panel and some foam, for a total thickness of about 7 centimeters. I then glued the foam onto the boards. While the glue was drying, I managed to cut the fabric. I chose to keep it simple by using some white leather. After cutting the pieces, I started stamping the fabric onto the seats. I know it's not an excellent work, but for being my first time at all, I think it came out being good enough. Then I cut to size some wood inserts and screwed them under the benches. In this way, they will perfectly sit inside the fiberglass location, on the floor of the boat. Now I'm placing 4 hinges that will hold the back of the seats. I designed them to be foldable in order to make a single big sunbathing area with the back bench. I then applied a finishing panel to the back of the seats, to hide the staples and give them a nicer look. I also realized 2 smaller cushions to add some comfort for the rear passengers. After attaching the hinges, I finally placed the foldable seats in place, inside the boat. And that's how it looks with everything in place. The interiors are not completely done, but I'll keep up the work in the next video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.